Hi everybody. This class we're going to review some pentatonic scale, some 12-bar blues. We're going to play Rock Around the Clock and introduce a couple new chords, and I hope you have a good time with it. We're going to start with the 12-bar blues. Here we go. 1, 2. Let's do down, up, tap, tap. Ready, go. Let's go back to a simple down strum, and we'll do lifts and slides like the blues book has on page 19. So it's 1, lift off, put it back for E7. Again, 1 on beat 2, lift off, put it back for 3 and 4. For A7, it's 1, slide to the first fret and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, B7, same thing. 1, 2, the first finger comes off, and back for 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, rest your hands. And let's do the 12-bar blues with lifts and slides. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. A7, slide and back. E7. A7, slide and back. E7. B7. A7. E7. B7. All right, let's play the pentatonic scale. 4 repeated notes with a straight rhythm. Make sure your right hand wrist is up just a little bit. We do rest strokes, push into the guitar, make that sound jump out loud. Duckbill on the left hand. Curl up, keep your fingers curled and touching close to the fret, close to the fingernails so that they look like rainbows. Really arched. Ready. 4 repeated notes, straight rhythm, go. Stop there. If you had trouble doing that, rewind the video and do it again. 3-0-3-0, straight rhythm. Ready, go. Come back up. 0-3, 0-3, 0-2, do pull-offs. Remember the pull-off? You play the first note of the pentatonic scale with a rest stroke down here, and then a pull-off up here. Your hand doesn't move. You just pull off with your fingers. Second string, you do a rest stroke with this finger. You push into the wood, and it comes to rest against the next string. So here we go. 4 on a string, hammers on the way back. When you hit it and hold it, pluck the open string and hit it and hold. Do 4 on each string. Ready? This is on page 16 if you need to see it in the blues book. Ready? Go. 3, 4, second string. Do a rest stroke, plow into the first string when you do that pull off. Third string. And fourth. And fifth. And sixth. Now hammers. Open, hammer. Pluck the open, hammer. 2 more. And fifth string. Pluck the open. Lift your fingers high if you need to. Fourth string. Lift them high, but don't straighten them out. Keep them bent. First string. Hit it with that pinky. Hold it. Good. So now we're going to play, I'm going to play the 12-bar blues for you, and you can improvise. Use any note of the pentatonic scale you want. Play some repeated notes, as many as you want. Just try to stay with my rhythm. Ready, go. Now, if you didn't know what you were doing there, you might want to read pages 20 and 22 in the blues book. Those are 2 pages about improvisation that should fill you in on what we're doing when we jam. Okay, next is Rock Around the Clock. So get your capos out and put them on the 2nd fret. If you don't have a capo, I'm sorry. We're using capos every class from here on out. Okay, so we're going to do a Rock Around the Clock. Let's do a balloon. Ready? Low to high. Stretch out your voice. Big breath. Balloon. One more time. Big breath. Balloon. Top to bottom. Big breath. Balloon. Go as low as you can go. One more time. Big breath. Balloon. Okay. Echo me. 1, 2, 3 o'clock. All right, here we go. Remember, it's strum and cover and the introduction. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5. Excuse me. We'll try that again. 1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. Put your glad rags on and join me, hon. We'll have some fun when the clock strikes 27. Rock around the clock to A. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till the broad daylight. E7, rock, gonna rock D7 around the clock A tonight. Second verse. When the clock strikes 2 and 3 and 4, if the band slows down, we'll yell for more. We're gonna D7 around the clock tonight. A, rock, rock, rock till the broad daylight. We're gonna E7, gonna rock D7 around the clock A tonight. Now try to sing along with this. You might want to rewind the tape, go back, and then sing along. Try to make yourself sing along, because the next step is going to require your memorization of Rock Around the Clock and that you can sing along and play the chords from memory. And the next step is going to be very cool, I promise. But you have to be ready by preparing that way. If you look at the last line of music on page 125 in the Ultimate Guitar Songbook, or if you look at the bottom of the Xerox or the lyric sheet that I think I sent, you'll see some tablature. And the tablature, instead of playing the chords for that line, we're just going to play the tablature because it's pretty fun. It's 5-5-5-0. Can you see that? That means it's on the top line, and that means it's on the first string. The 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You count up from the capo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to play it like, it's going to sound like this. 2, 3, 4. And then you strum your A chord. The whole thing. It's going to start at the 5th fret. What kind of rhythm was that? Was it straight rhythm or swing rhythm? Two, 3, 4. And let's see. So we're going to play it 4th finger, 3rd finger, 2nd finger, 1st finger. We're going to wait. Let's try that. Ready? Go. 4th finger, 3rd finger, 2nd finger, oh, count to 4, and then move your 1st finger to the 2nd fret. We call this 2nd position. And then we go 2, 4th fret with my 3rd finger, and 5th fret with my pinky. Oh, I mean my 4th finger. Notice I just leave my fingers down when I go up. That means that they're not out here flying around. And also I'm more stable in my left hand. So let's play the whole ending to Rock Around the Clock. Ready, go. 5, 5, 5, 0, 3, 3, 3, 0, 2, 2, 2, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, count to 4, 2, 3, 4. 2nd position, 0, 2. So the fret that this finger plays, finger 1, is your position. When I said 2nd position, I realized maybe I hadn't told you. So that's how we do that. So rewind the tape, and then next week you need to know by heart the first 2 verses of Rock Around the Clock and the 5-5-5-0 outro, which is the opposite of the intro. We're almost done. What I want you to do is look here on this page and learn the G chord, the C chord, and the D chord. Those are chords that we're going to use for Let It Be on page 168 of the Ultimate Guitar Songbook. And that's what we're going to do. See ya.